In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off the screen rotation on the Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the quick settings. Now in the quick settings, you will find this icon, which is for the auto rotation. Now if you turn off this option, you'll turn off the auto rotation feature on your Samsung phone, and the screen will not rotate even if you rotate your phone. Now if you want to turn on the auto rotate feature, just open the quick settings, and from here just tap on this icon and turn on the auto rotation feature. Also, if you tap and hold on this icon, you will open the auto rotate settings, and from here you can enable the toggle for the places where you want to use the auto rotation feature. If you want to use the auto rotation feature on the home screen, you can enable this toggle, and if you want to use it also on the lock screen, you can enable this option too. And if you want to use the auto rotation feature even on the voice call screen, you can enable this toggle too. Now after you do that, the screen of your Samsung phone will rotate as you rotate your phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.